subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. The Indian phone accessories market has a new entrant from BoAt. It is the Airdopes 621 truly wireless earbuds with a capacity of 150 hours of extended listening. At the unveiling event on Friday, BoAt unfurled an impressive array of features of the Airdopes 621 earbuds that will expectedly draw many consumers to the affordable accessory. The Airdopes 621 has Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity, is capable of instant pairing, has IPX7 waterproof capability, and both earbuds come with a 6m driver. The IPX7 rating means that the service is unaffected by water splashes while being used for extended periods. Each earbud of the Airdopes 621 has a 35mAh battery capable of providing 5.5 hours of uninterrupted listening on a full charge. The Airdopes 621 has a digital charging case with a 2600mAh battery that can extend the earbud's battery life to 150 hours, more than 6 days, of continuous operation. The massive battery life of the Airdopes 621 is a feature that has set the device ahead of its competitors. The digital charging case also supports fast charging and can double as a power bank for charging other devices. The charging case has a battery indicator that enables the user to monitor the battery usage effectively. The BoAt Airdopes 621 TWS earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS devices. It has a single-touch voice assistant that enhances its usability. Besides, it is possible to take calls and change tracks with a button's push, providing smooth touch controls for several operations. The Airdopes 621 TWS earbuds are now on sale at Amazon India. Buyers who purchase the device now will enjoy a 62% discount, bringing the price to Rs. $2,999, about $41.40. The discount price will be gradually scaled down in the coming weeks. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.